Before a passenger steps onto your bus, before a client signs a logistics contract, before a tourist trusts your company, they've already formed an opinion, and it only takes 3 seconds. The question is, what is your fleet saying about your business? Every company invests heavily in building its brand. They design professional logos, launch marketing campaigns, improve customer service, and train employees to represent the business in the best possible way. Yet one of the most powerful brand ambassadors is often overlooked: the vehicles customers see every single day. Whether you operate tour coaches, airport shuttles, city buses, employee transportation, or logistics vehicles, your fleet is a moving advertisement. Every time one of your buses enters a station, stops at a hotel, arrives at an airport, or parks in front of a customer's facility, people immediately make assumptions about your company. They notice the condition of the vehicle before they notice your service. A clean, well-maintained fleet communicates professionalism, reliability, and attention to detail. A dirty vehicle, even if it performs perfectly, can quietly damage customer confidence before your team has the opportunity to create a positive experience. This is why many successful transport companies no longer treat vehicle washing as a maintenance task. They see it as part of brand management. Every clean vehicle reinforces the company's reputation. Every consistent presentation strengthens customer trust. For companies serving international travelers, corporate clients, or premium transportation services, appearance often becomes a competitive advantage. The same principle applies to logistics businesses. A container truck arriving at a manufacturing plant or distribution center represents far more than cargo delivery. It represents the standards of the company behind it. Businesses that invest in operational excellence understand that branding doesn't stop at the office entrance. It continues across every vehicle in the fleet. That's where automation creates value beyond efficiency. An automatic washing system helps maintain a consistent, professional appearance across the entire fleet without relying on varying manual results. Every vehicle leaves the depot with the same high standard of cleanliness, helping companies protect the image they've worked so hard to build. At Go&Go, we believe an automatic bus wash system is not simply an investment in equipment. It's an investment in your company's reputation. Because customers don't separate your fleet from your brand, they see them as one and the same. In today's competitive market, the businesses that earn trust the fastest are often the ones that look ready before they even say a word. Take a moment and ask yourself one simple question. If your biggest customer saw every vehicle in your fleet today, what impression would they have? If you're ready to strengthen both your operations and your brand image, contact Go&Go to discover an automatic washing solution built for modern transport businesses.